The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger. Again, Paul.
Paul, I'm a pet name in Nathan Sewell, my right name.
Give me that.
Nathan Sewell, my right name.
Nathan
Sewell.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
My sister, man, yeah, one brother.
Big them up before you get famous now, so tell them hello. Because it's a global, you know.
Yeah, global to them.
Global to the world.
My brother named Barry, man.
When they?
Time, you know, see you. Big up Barry, man, Lily. Lily Etlin. Otherwise, Denise. Pauline. Me and Pauline are twin. Me and Pauline are Teddy a cousin. We had them a cousin by my father's side.
Yeah.
Mr. Sewell have my father, but them Johnson. I mean, one little sister Sewell, sister where them Sammons that a mother first picked me. So all of my sister they know, all of my sister they rate no man. I take care of my sister, they know nothing. Paul enjoy for man.
So you look like an honest man. Nobody now no building contracting.
No man, that friend me build no people for house of foreign one then come hand them then key man. We both build and furnish the house give them man and paint man. So when they come from friend then come for key for me. Yeah man.
You build anything at Melrose Mills?
For Melrose Mills.
You work there, sir?
For Melrose Mills also?
Yeah.
We repair house and fix like who are plumbing leaking and so.
So what's your greatest strength?
My greatest strength are all of them.
Plumbing.
All of them.
You do electric too?
Yeah, man. If I build a house now, I pipe up everything out, I don't join the wire. You get an electrician for so you have to
certified.
You have to get the pass.
Plumbing, you build it from scratch.
Yeah. Do the house, plumbing, everything fast.
What if you have to do deep columns and serious?
Oh God, man, we are down Clarendon go do one 5 feet down there. We have to start the house 5 feet down there. By 3 by 3.
Yeah.
And cast out that. Come so that take like about 5 bags of cement with the stuff. So in all that take about like say 50 barrels of stuff. You can start the column fan on the ground, come up at ground level, and then you put on the 15 by 15 pound that up in the air, but some place all 16 feet tall, 14, 13, depends the split level land, At the split level land, give the height of the how you want the beam and then shoot the beam out there. Come on the room them longer, get the house bigger. Me shoot the beam them out there. Yeah man, and then after me do that now you deck off that. And then line out the building pan that. And then build to that now and catch you to roofing. And then if you want type from the roof, you slab it and call it decking. After this one now to start the next one again, suppose a 2 floor, 3 floor. We do like them, man. Everything we do in a building, man. And everything in
So now who teach you?
Mega school, Puro school. The man name is McLean, you know that man?
No.
God.
No.
You drive a green Land Rover?
No. I don't come from around here now.
You don't come from around here, sir?
No.
Oh, for him teach me first in a woodwork. And then he should teach me very plan. And then we there and then
Oh, so you can read an architect plan?
Yes, man, I have a whole plan down right down the house. We can't go down and show you some plan with them, you see how me build them.
You build them, so you build more than 10
houses.
houses.
You draw one of the plan and send you go blueprint it too. Me draw and send you go blueprint it. And then build them from scratch on woodland. No scratch, like you see that woodland is a steer.
Yeah.
You go cut it down, get man cut down the woodland.
Are you hire all the contractors?
Sometimes I 100 workers work with me, man.
100?
Yes,
under you?
Yes, man.
You lead 100 man?
I lead 100 man. And I'm a top trade man.
Can I have somebody who wants some help in a Christian, I know?
They know they want to be Christian or not.
Slabbing. They want so wait, you know, keep picture where you build.
You know, so much that
So one day when I can drive with you and show me some of the things where you build?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
See, 2 first if you go, so you not go look at the school, you're not going to believe something.
The school?
You're not going to believe something still. We can go by church, so now, the tower up and top it up there, me believe up there. Okay. Top and tower up in church, the bell tower.
Yeah.
You ever look up at Meridian Church and see built up, eh?
Are you?
I miss tripping on a roof here, and that did it for years, you know. And no man now go up saying, when me I do that, you know, the road full of with car go straight down Kunung, you know. Man top real top up and say, man, my life is for your heart, brother. We can't want to see for your heart. And you know me who don't go up, say, you mad, man. I say, you must see mad, like you. Right now, me go open now next 2 to 3 weeks now. Me go change out some rotten wood rafter in the ceiling. You have to use it if I'm grown to inner the church up, you know. And nearly 30 feet tall, you know. And in the floor, you know, to inner the ceiling of the church, you know.
So no, it seems like you have a good heart and honesty.
I know, man. I work for I'll feature church, sir. When me work feature, nobody did it. They don't go come send write the bill. Give me the bill since week already, man. We go do the bill already, so then can't come with the material at the time. So in time I go do it now, I get 1 or 2 seconds with me. Me a second I go do, man. Me go about go do house and now with them go send go strip on house. Past Santa Cruz and go down. Past stretcher place there go down. Stretcher road there. Car places where we sell car parts. As a restaurant, so what so.
Yeah.
If you go down the road and go down the road pan there so. And so I will stop a shine pan the left hand. And me do that they do both.
How many years you building?
For me 18. And me build more than 100 vault. 100 sepulchre. Me build already. Me build much castic. Can't, yo, it's a long story to tell where me I build from. Remember me tell you that I so pass.
So no, we can't, when we release this video, no foreigner, nobody won't say, see the dirty teeth in boy there.
Me tell you so the plumbing a foreign. Me tell you so the plumbing a foreign. People call me tell me say them tile, them black and everything black up there. I'm a plumber come there and can't release it. I'm tell them what to do and release where. Oh God, I work with people from foreign. At English side of their house where they come to strip the house stop roofing like that. Tight a leak, all hanged. I'm telling you, me tap you and say, don't man, strip people.
So you can do all tank too, seal tank?
I just see them make one tank. Right now, I'm going to do one a Mandeville board next 2 weeks from now.
So you always book?
Every day. Every day. Right now, I work 3 years straight non-stop. Every day. Right now. Now, December come. About 3 years and 9 months. 3 years and 11 months. Straight non-stop. I'm going to stop me up at night. And you know what me I go out? No.
So now much picnic you have to work so hard?
Picnic? Me pick them a big picnic, man. One of them are 33 and one are 29, 30. I don't picnic me just work because work have it done. And once you have work for hurt to do, you have to just do it until
you sure not drink out the money and gamble it out?
Drink out? You're right.
Are you a gambler?
No, you're right.
You read your Bible?
Yes, man.
But are you a gambler, for?
No. Like play that me know can't price in it. No, sir. Oh, check me, brother.
So no, what you do for fun and what you do for lose the money?
Lose?
Woman, you lose money.
You have to give money to you know. You have to help people.
No, give a lose like you bet on a horse and.
No, sir. Me no buy race or me buy cash pot or. You have to go. Me no lose off a cash pot. Me tell man say me win almost more than $1 million for cash pot. They don't believe me.
So your greatness in our life is what? Your greatness is your skill and your love for people.
Yes, man. Aye. The greatness and love for people. I do help people, man. Do a lot of things for people.
And your weakness, what would that change about you?
Boy, I think I no weakness. I tell you the truth, you know.
You know, weakness, who, man?
Yeah? Oh, man, no. You know, I'm before anything at all.
What you do?
Me to God, mirror.
And you work before anything?
Anything at all, don't matter who. For number one, if you're hungry, you know. And you have to say money, you know, give them, you know. That's a problem there, you know. So you have to have that first. That's the strongest in life. This is what you heard and what you have. Yes, man.
Hey, dog, top of night. Oh, you see me there, film.
That me doing a life, man.
Paul, it's a pleasure to find someone where.
I know, boy, we can't tell you much how people house me bill. I know first me bill pound, man. I can't trust some of them.
No, I'm saying that. Why him do that now tonight?
A hound, man.
A hound him a hound?
Yeah, so they own, man. I go bill house, man. Some place me bill house and pass, me never remember see me bill. Work house me bill, man.
Wow. So now, you tell me.
You want furniture for bill, you want house bill?
House, furniture, Paul, plumbing, tiling.
Yes,
you sure your tile good?
If my tile good, then I can't go to the house, man.
Come is a tile, me really want, tiling is how you know if a man good or not. So Paul, then if you're in such a heavy demand, You build house, you do furniture, then
You build blackboard for school, you know. And the white chalkboard.
are you build a blackboard
yeah,
then too?
Where you do the shift blackboard, and where you do work, where teacher don't work on now. I eat that me I look on right now.
Then you know
the
me.
teacher work from their house. And send off like how you do it now.
Yeah.
And send to picnic them. And picnic work off it. Some of them are teacher never come for yesterday now. And that I want they want high boy chest. Without a notch blue mawo. That a blue mawo.
Like something like this, how much chest a draw? How much you say estimate?
50,000 want that chest a draw.
50,000 for bill it. Buy wood, everything.
Yeah, man, just
and labor.
50,000 and you get it. But that one the dearer.
How much for that one?
Blue mawo.
Blue mawo.
About blue mawo at school. I eat this.
And your spirit and everything.
Yeah, man, when you spray a natural color, you see the wood. When you spray prettier, you know. You have a look more brownish look.
And about how much you build something like this?
This at 100, I told you that when you finish. For one more piece, I go on top of this.
Make it high.
Yeah, man, so that's why I
So all your bed base, so much for all?
One bed, when I live there, I pay 30,000 at a queen size.
30,000 for the queen size
It
base.
be just like that, but if you have a dry night like that, a 40 to 45.
45,000
One with the draw.
with the draw. No head.
No head. No man head them if you have 190,000 anyway.
Okay.
So we line up the head in it. That's how one head we have to line up.
Oh, you line up the head, yeah. And you have to cut him out.
So after the other piece go on pan and carve up it. So you have some big posts. So my own post when I say I go pan in. These are the posts. Wait, do go pan with the finial. These are the size posts. Wait, I go pan. So we just already there.
Okay.
And then this are pieces, so now. Finial, you go up on the top. This are the finial, you go up on the top at the post.
Yes, sir.
So when it's done, I want man stand on the ear tell up. Yeah, man.
Then after we release this video, you'll get so much work, you'll get some help.
They build enough, man. They build for store and something in my top build for store. They can't bother for they don't pay money for bill. They want the thing, but they not pay the money for bill.
Okay. So you just customize.
Yeah, they pay money for EP515 pay me more. Machine that the cross cuts the wallets are the late you look and do the turning.
Okay. For the woodwork. So now, wow. So you have anyone you're training, you're teaching?
I'm teaching enough somebody trade already. I'm training my 20 somebody trade already.
And they must do them own business.
Some of them I work for like Jamaica right now. For I want to pass on by marry for Jamaica. Maybe enough thing man, maybe enough OC teacher them also two man. Enough teacher may build us right now man where they live in a house. And me build them.
Wow.
Maybe I'm more like teacher and something I right now principal of high school now. I just say they make a finish females. Yes, man.
So you're busy?
They bill every time I maybe just to one police man up the road so. Done that just to go up on a big house, you know. So I'm gonna do one part side of him, mother just one pan. And then him part. You know, we work all over Jamaica, man. All over Bedtown, St. Anne's, Christiana. All about me work out people want for people come for me from all about. As a man here about me, I want a job done with income for me. Sometimes I come every 2 weeks I'm here.
Every 2 weeks you go to yard?
Yeah. My wife I put it on my yard right now, I just buy a so your wife a call. The father when you come home. Yeah man, I left me a week full last minute go eat. Come back after tell us I left me at a farm work me go pan.
How old's your kid?
My kids
When you say picnic, you still have a young one?
Me have one young one me that outside picnic that. But me picnic them my wife answer. A big picnic them man, big woman and man them man. My son married man live afar in Canada.
Wow. Well, big up your family again.
Yeah man. My son man
This man build house, furniture. You do roofing too?
yeah man.
Any kind of roofing?
See how they roofing them do them man.
Okay.
Oh, that was him. You want me furniture house thing?
Your furniture?
Furnishing,
Everything in it.
Back on the inside. Yeah, all the doors down the chain, no carry lock them difficult and carry them from front of me. I mean, I think I middle them. I always manage them.
So if you get a steel door too, you can put in a steel cage and everything.
The steel door.
The wall, like
Like the metal door in the wall.
the metal door, like you protect it.
Metal door jam everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, do them man. Put them in, shoot them in and everything man.
Okay.
We can not bolt them and then we concrete it make it dry, and then we polish it out. And yes, man.
So
Otherwise, we get it.
otherwise, anybody that watch this, we want some work done. What if you hire some man and make them do it right?
So mostly I do the work them do for me, do the start and the finishing, and then I do pass and just everything. If you no pass, you no done good. I do all of them then. Yeah, man. If me no pass it, it's have to do over.
When you do your finishing, you get cracks in your wall, you know, man.
No man, I don't die.
Give it how you do your finishing so you don't get crack like the wall.
If you do finishing now, that you don't get no crack, you have to have a good footing. Once the footing at the house not do good, and that's up.
Now footing, what do you mean by that?
Yeah?
Like the post and the
No. The remember say when you line out the house and you go cast the footing down the first after you steel up it and mat it out and you go cast on, so now you have to have yours by at least 16 inches thickness. A concrete down there in the ground.
16 inches.
16
so
inches.
The concrete have to sit down.
Exactly. If you foot no bust, if you foot na the down the burst, you find the wall crack. If you foot no pour, it will go burst. So you will find the house drop.
And how do you?
So when the house drop, you will find the wall crack. Lintel crack, over door lintel, over window lintel, the wall and bust. That's how you also wall crack. For so, one side heavier than one. So the poorer side heavier not draw down, so it bust way. And go the part where loose, go sit down long there.
Okay.
So you find the house drop. And the wall crack. Well, at them I got to go do. Finished to go do since Sunday. The Monday I come back.
So you master the foundation.
Man. Yeah, man, I do everything and I mostly do them, man. And you ask me a bill, and me start the foot and catch it footnote and start they like try to win the height, then we call on workers.
You just basically make them come and give you what you want, cement and mix things.
They write the bill what I want, and so my most of the owner then carry the money come give me, and me spend the money bill in house.
And give my receipt.
Yeah, man, everything. Write up everything, man. Every month I'm only going to give me. If they give me $10 this month, or this affair, I'm write up that on date and sign your name to it. For you with a foreign, so me sign your name to it. That will show if you have any money in a problem, you got to quote your name to every money where you send come. By the date, the time you collect it, and the amount.
When you pay your subcontractors, do you make them sign too?
When we pay like the workers,
yeah.
Yes, man, we pay
you make them sign?
Yes, man, you have to make them too. Some of them don't go work like you give them job, and you give them in a dirt, they know how much money they collect for the week. See if a man collect 30,000, 25,000, depends on the work you do, you know. If you give a man rough cast, rendering, you have an next man that come do dress the face in them. But most time I do most of them work, we do the building, the dressing, the finishing, and the passing. I do all of them. So we have man that just run a couple black. Them can't run black fast like how me run it still. I don't find nobody about it.
You do this about 30 years?
Me have 54.
You have 54?
54.
Okay, alright, got it.
54,
so yeah, you're right.
So 35 years.
Yeah.
And since me I do everything. Used to build all castic, you know, man. Used to build castic, you know. Enough castic, me build all, you know, man. Build a vault, you know. Build a support kind of.
No, but I said, like,
3/4
I have to go get my casket ready. No.
3/4. I just see them doing some of this, man. I want to build them, man. Because it's not to build. I said, I want to build. Yeah, build, man. If I did no very by today, I win. Say Wednesday, Thursday, and I'm on to death berry Friday, Sunday.
No,
tonight.
No.
Me take tonight and build, man.
One casket.
I don't spray tomorrow. I'm gone tomorrow. So by 10 o'clock, once no rain, we don't spray.
All the cheer them, you make wicked cheer.
All type of chair, man.
Here's something more want to build when we get a chance. Instead of building a wall, more want to get a frame system, put the window in it, but put steel bar between the wood them, weld them. So it's like a window, but a big window with steel bar in the white wood frame with glass.
In the white wood?
Yeah, when you paint it white. It's like I make a big window, but nobody can break in it.
It's like an ice tray. When you don't look like ice tray.
Yeah.
So we don't finish up in that.
You see me? So you look like a window.
And you have the window where you shut behind, you know.
Yeah.
At the night time you shut it. So when you shut it, nobody see grill for you shut it from outside.
No, the grill inside of the wood.
Yeah, man, the grill inside
the wood.
So
you cut the wood 2x4.
You drill it, man. I drill and put them through and knock it. I knock it through and they come through so they put back one plate in over here, so one plate in over here. So.
Yeah.
So they can't come out.
And them can't see say a steel bar in it.
if you even see steel bar, but then can't break if you come out. To how close you put it. Once it's tricky night, you know, is how close you put it. If you measure axle and the axle say 6 inches from the blade to it, 6 inches, you put in the steel 4 inches. So the axle can go through if you roll if you cut it. If I talk about once the axle have the length to cut running, you can't cut it. Enough man don't know, you know. But once you make space for the axle run, it cut. So the man come and see it in so near. Like how you see all this near now. So like how you saw something near now, something like this on top.
Yeah.
Like how you see this shape now.
Yeah.
So
Same like this.
Same like this.
I just glass in
Right.
it, so.
Yeah.
And in this, you bury the steel in it and hide
like
it.
that.
But
So
everything
inna
I
that, so.
wood.
Yeah, in this.
Yes.
So this can't go through if you cut it. But once this can't go through this, you cut it down, so it can't cut enough, it can't cut so. You can't cut so. Yeah, we cut it, make you go through and cut off them. And cut them off and drop them out. Yeah, so we do them. Yeah, man. I like that road, man. Oh, it's that belly that you can't see good. It's a belly that come in and look at the period 27, so you come in.
And your pattern and everything
Yeah, man,
and your
the carve,
design.
the carve.
You have a design book?
Yeah, when I say draw pattern, I carve them myself, you know. And carve them. Just draw them out of my head. I don't usually use pattern.
Oh, you draw it out of your head?
Yeah, man, just draw them and build them, man. So, you know.
So if someone have a sample, you can just follow it?
I just draw it on paper at a time.
Yeah.
And I draw it on paper now. I then put it on this mark for it and then carve it.
Wicked.
Yeah, man, that's something that mostly design and building with, you know, doing something there, you know. Design.
Window you do too?
Like the metal window.
You don't make window.
We used to make like French window.
So you can make window for house too, where you cut the steel and put the glass in and everything.
We don't make that one.
You know the windows.
We don't mostly repair them if people have them, but we don't make it for that too much work in IT, man.
So plumbing work, no big deal.
No, sir, plumbing work, I should tell you them, man. Masonry work, contractor work. You know, them they just coming like nothing to me, man.
Wow.
Me not find no work with hard right now, and as you find you put your mind to it.
You can't do it.
Yeah, we different, kind of different from other.
So what time do you work and what time do you work and finish up?
Finish up right now?
Yeah, you work all late.
I go right now, maybe I tap it after 7 now.
Alright.
I mean, I go put time tap on this now. Yeah, them man, you tap them there, man.
So for people cupboard and thing, boom, easy
kitchen
thing.
cupboard.
Eh?
Kitchen cupboard. Yeah, man. We've got a kitchen cupboard fixed.
But your price not too crazy. Let's say a whole cupboard set. Give me an average price for a whole set.
Depends the type of wood they take making.
So the cheapest wood would go for about how much?
The cheapest wood, by the foot, cupboard make $15,000 a foot.
15,000 a foot.
Yeah, the more now 20,000, 22,000 a foot.
20,000.
So you make a cupboard with say 10 feet a cupboard. 10 to the 20. You know, it's amount of money that 1 foot a cupboard 20,000. 10 foot a cupboard almost 10 to the 20, you know. Enough money for a cupboard, you know.
Average?
I cupboard for all 304, 5, 6 on 2. Right now, I want to do for 480,000.
480,000.
How much am I work?
Wow.
You see some.
That's a serious.
Yeah, man, see one I bought them just up.
So the cupboard them were you build? One day you can see one?
Me soon friend I want, man.
Remember you have your phone?
That's one closet door. That's one closet door.
You have your phone?
I ain't got my phone at you left. Me for don't have my phone. I don't use any type of phone.
Add my number.
This is for me.
You know.
This is for me. This is one closet door, right? And then go out outside. See that part feet there. You see this is one closet door. So glass over in here, sir. And then this is one panel.
You put in the glass too?
Yeah, man, I cut glass and everything too, man.
Okay.
And I cut glass with people.
I seal it nicely.
Yeah, man, I got roll around this, man. This is not this is finished yet, you know. I got roll tight as me know. I sun it first. Then roll tight up. And then do one next door.
Wow. Everything.
Everything. I mean, I alone work in a shop, man. When I saw police and soldier come and say, and turn up, man, they want to look good, man. And he gave me ball and police was search right now. Now I don't quit soldier.
Never go jail.
Touch. One time, I beat him and they came in. They look for me. They come to me 3 times.
You beat him? When
Right, you also too, man. You ready up himself, man. And then God for the person come to me 3 times and turn back, man. And then say, boy, they can't face me. Why? They say they don't know, brother, but they just see a poor family with them. I feel like I have to go care of myself.
The police never come for you, then they say, come in.
And you look on and say, man, no, sir. You have some powers. You have some powers. You can't face it. You don't think somebody see, man, but brother, it's not an other somebody will see, man. Man, different from you, man, yes, sir. I tell you the truth. The man has come in by himself. You know, I really have cook and you have look and I say, man. And you say, brother, you not try again, you know? You don't look like you're hard to me.
Yeah, superpowers.
Yeah, man, to me say, it took about 3 different man. You're different, you know, something like that.
You're different, that's why you're honest.
I'm honest person, I'm telling you the truth. I can work with you, you know, work with it. It's not just something, man. No time, can't put money in. Put it to more here now.
Brother, it was a pleasure. Give me the number again.
Number 816-8459.
When I go call you more often, cause what you have to do, you have to go write down my number. You don't use WhatsApp, right?
No, can't write down your number.
You see me, write it down because you have to go call me when you build something, so I can see it. Me and stay. This is a man called Paul. Plumbing, construction, and the man I go do your furniture for you. And him build house from scratch too. So if you have a problem with your contractor and people, call Paul. And make you just link Jamaica Good Life, make you. The number. My number you can 646 330 91 50.
That's our number.
Yeah, man. You can get it on WhatsApp.
So you have put one up front.
You can do that, yeah.
So you have one up front now, sir. And still 876 from see me?
No, man.
Okay.
Just
Right,
straight that.
number.
Yeah.
Okay. Are your name? Are your name?
Randy.
R-A-N-D.
RONDIE.
R-O-N-D-I-E.
Yeah. Jamaica Good Life on YouTube.
Okay. Yeah.
So may I try call you now?
Jamaica Good Life.
Yo, Paul, this is Randy. Add my number. This is my Jamaica number. Alright? Respect. So me give my Jamaica number by leaving a voice message on your phone. You're going to see the car where it come from, right? So just add that. That's my Jamaica number.
This side, which one is your number?
That's a foreign number, but me call you already. I left a message.
Okay.
So Paul the builder. Yeah, man, enough people at the road want trusted people. You're going to walk till you're sick, brother.
I'm mostly below England people, man. Yeah, man, I'm mostly England people below some man. We just build one for one man with the England. So like, seem like how you eat on Indeed. Seem like how you was good. Indeed.
One day you have to bring me to one of your house, man.
Alright, you sell it here too?
Yeah? Let's fight there.
By the English side.
Yeah?
One big ass price don't go pan since 97. I sell it as well and I sell it already.
So you can fix up anything?
Any whole house, a man buy a whole house or second hand house.
Yeah,
man, just buy and come for me, man. When I'm done with the man, I had a pan sell a house, I build one day too. On top of that.
Well, you do so much things, brother. Yeah, do so much, brother. Oh, you do so much. You do too much, man. Are you that? I set up your steel.
Yeah, no, it's still a dig already, but I'm a black copy.
So much.
Outline.
Do you like work with mall or cement? I mean, mall, you like work with mall or sand you work with?
Two of them, mostly sand used though.
Yeah. I know.
But the sand work just like the mall, but you have to know if you mix it.
Yeah.
1 or 2 to 1 and 1 or 3 to 1. If a mall, a 3 bag of cement, 3 barrel, a mall to 1 bag of cement, and if a sand, a 2 barrel of sand to 1 bag of cement.
So you have to know,
you have to know if you mix it. And when you mix it, you have to test it. Once you test it and you see give you the fall in shape, you're ready. But once you get loose in shape, you're not ready. But once you start loose.
Paul, get to work.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to check you back. I have your number. It's Randy from Jamaica Good Life. This is going to go up tonight. You're going to hear people talk about you. Right. New Jersey, Wagwan. When you want some good Jamaican food, check out Carlos Kitchen. The wait is over. 862-240 862-240-9888. Homemade natural juice and punch. American and West Indian Jamaican restaurant. New Jersey, New Jersey, New Jersey. Corona time and everything, but you still have to eat good food. So check out Carlos Kitchen in New Jersey. So when you not pass through Jersey, I want to live at Jersey, I'm in New York City and just want to take a drive, relax and no stress and bring your family go eat some good food. 862-240-9888. Just call them and say, look, a Jamaica Good Life in Dawson, you know. I'm here to say the food wicked. So here, call Carlos at Carlos Kitchen 862-240-9888. Tell them to Randy send you. You don't have to come out of the house and stop cook so much and go check out Carlos Kitchen. I'm out. Nyam it out. Nyam it out. Big up Carlos.